Hi friends, it's Precious. Welcome back to my channel. I know some of you have been wondering why I haven't been putting out any content on YouTube or why I haven't been responding to your comments as well. But hey, I have been missing in action for quite a while because I lost my most precious orchid. My mom passed in September and she was laid to rest a few weeks ago, or about a week ago I should say. And it was really a difficult period for me and my family. So, we're grieving, and throughout our period of bereavement, a lot of you guys gave us your support. For those of you who called, those of you who came by, those who sent a card, whatever way you contributed, on behalf of my family and I want to say a big thank you. Now, there are some persons who I must make mention of. For example, there is Carmen, who follows me on Instagram. Every single morning, Carmen would post me an inspirational prayer with words of comfort, and I really appreciated it. Also, there was Orchid Duck and her friend Red Rose, who is also one of my supporters. They journeyed all the way from the hills of Manchester to attend my mom's funeral. And after the funeral, I was pleasantly surprised with them presenting me with two beautiful plants, a phalaenopsis and an anthurium. Now, I think these ladies were peeking inside my garden, because the gifts are so perfect, because I didn't have those color blooms, neither that phal or the anthurium. I didn't have those blooms amongst my collection, so it was very well appreciated. And I thank you guys for the kind gesture. You really made my day through, amidst my tears, amidst my mourning after the funeral. You really made my day. And I must also make mention of the members of the Jamaica Orchid Society, who journeyed all the way from Kingston as well to attend the funeral. Members of the Clarendon Horticultural Society, thank you, my sisters, for supporting me on that day. And I should also say a big thank you to Orchids by Opal. Thank you, Opal, for contributing those two beautiful Sogo Euclidean phals. They were my mom's favorite when she was alive, and so I thought it was only appropriate to include those phals as a part of the church decor. Thank you, Opal. And I must also say a big thank you to the Weir Technical High School graduating class of 1964. They were at the funeral and they introduced themselves to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciated that you traveled all the way to attend my mom's, your former classmates or schoolmates' funeral. Thank you guys. And I must also make mention of two special persons. They are also my supporters on YouTube, Jean Dixon and her sister Donna. They journeyed all the way from Top Alston in Clarendon, and they came to my home and they spent 2 days with me to assist in whatever way they could with all the preparation for the funeral. Thank you, Jean. Thank you, Donna. Thank you, Donna, I should say. Love you guys. Love you, love you. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciated it. And for all of those who joined the service virtually on Zoom, a big thank you to all of you. I really appreciate it. And I thank you for your patience, because I know you have all been waiting on a video to be published. Thank you again for your patience. And this is just an update to let you know what has been happening, why I was missing in action, as I said earlier. So until next time, see you soon in my next video.